Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am probably going to be talking about the most exciting thing that has ever happened to me. I'm sure a lot of you guys know if you follow me on Instagram, and I have been talking about it in the past couple of videos, but I wrote an ebook. What the heck? I wrote an ebook. I have it in my hands. Oh my god, I literally can't get over it. So yeah, I thought I would make a video talking about exactly what it is, what's inside, what you guys can expect if you purchase it, and that type of thing. So yeah, I'm really sorry if the lighting changes. The sun is being super weird today and it keeps going behind clouds and whatnot, so the lighting might be a bit weird. I also have a cold, so sorry about that too. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about my little baby, my little bundle of joy, and something that I've worked so hard on. So I thought I'd just answer some frequently asked questions. Just wanted to give you guys as much information about the ebook as possible so that you guys know what to expect. But if you want to hear more about it, then please keep watching. Alright, so first and foremost, this is what it looks like. I got it printed this morning, and honestly, special shout out, he probably won't watch this, but special shout out to my boyfriend Andy. If you guys don't know, he's actually a graphic designer. He's never done anything like this before, but he's just really artistic and he knows how to use the program that we use to create this, and I literally would not have been able to do this without him. All I wanted was like his just artistic flair, but he honestly ended up doing a lot of it, especially like the design work of it. So a big shout out to him, because honestly it would not have been possible without him, and I cannot thank him enough. And also it was just so much fun to do something together, like have a little project to do together. For the past month, every single day after work, we've both just been sitting by the laptop until midnight just getting this done. So yeah, he is amazing and I love him. But anyway, let's get on to showing you guys the ebook and what we have done together. So I don't want to like obviously spoil the ebook, but that's the front cover. It's called Find Your Fit, an at-week workout guide with me, Brittany Wishart. I've never seen my name online. That is weird. But yeah, that is what it looks like. Inside I just have like a little welcome thing, the contents. Also, Andy, being the amazing person that he is, has made this book interactive. So on every page there's a little home icon. So if you're down on like page 50, you can press the home icon and it will take you back to like the main page, like the contents, which is so amazing. And on the contents page, if you click any of the links, it'll take you to that page. Like seriously, the best person ever. So obviously if you are like on your phone and you want to do week 4 of the ebook, you don't have to like scroll through heaps and heaps of pages. You literally can just like click week 4 and it will take you to week 4. So I think that's amazing. He is a genius. But yeah, I just have my journey story. I have lots of information about like different types of training, cardiovascular training, HIIT training, weights. I always get asked like what's better, cardio or weights, so I have like a whole dedicated page to that, or a couple of pages I should say. I have dedicated pages about stress and how important sleep is for you, about like warm-ups, cool downs, and all that type of thing. I've just tried to chuck in as much information as possible that comes from my noggin to you guys. So yeah, I feel like I need to do more of a rundown. I'm really bad at this, I'm sorry. I should preface, this is an 8-week workout guide. You can do it at home, you can do it at the gym. I've literally just made it like the easiest and most simplest workout guide that you can follow. So I honestly feel like you have no excuse, because this workout guide is perfect for everybody. It is a beginner to intermediate. I've deliberately chose exercises that are beginner friendly, but obviously you can just add some dumbbells or a resistance band to make it harder for yourself, or if you are at the gym you can have barbells and like weight machines and that type of thing. So it's honestly perfect for everybody, in my opinion anyway. But yeah, you definitely don't need equipment if you are a beginner, or if you don't have any equipment. Totally doable without it. I would recommend adding some sort of dumbbell or like weight for like the arm exercises and stuff. You can use tins of beans, you can use shampoo and conditioner bottles, like it's all good. Just use whatever you have in your house. And yeah, so 8-week guide at home, can be at the gym, can be in a hotel room, can be outside, like it's Guys, it's an all-rounder. You have no excuses anymore. This is perfect for you. There's heaps of information there. I've also included some of my favorite recipes. You guys love when I make like healthy recipes, so I've made sure to add a few of those in there. I would love to do a whole ebook dedicated to recipes, so that's why I only put a few of my favorite, and then one day hopefully I'll do like a recipe ebook. But yeah, there's like protein pancakes, there's gooey chocolate brownies, there's Mexican inspired foods like chilies and things like that. So yeah, just some of my favorite recipes. There is 35 workouts, I believe, that go over the 8-week span, and I've tried to make them as unique and different as possible because I really want your body to like keep guessing and changing and that type of thing. So it starts off a little bit easier in the first 1 to 4 weeks, and then it gets progressively harder because obviously I want you guys to actually see results. So at the beginning it's more of a beginner friendly type situation, but obviously if you're more advanced you can add in an extra day of workouts, and then by the end of it I've got you doing 5 sessions a week, so don't hate me. What else is there to talk about? Seriously, there's so many pages of information, and then this is what the workouts look like. I'll show you one page. So it looks like that, which I think looks super cool. Pretty much all of the workouts like look the same, but they're all very different. So I've chucked in HIIT workouts and circuit workouts, which I've explained in the book what they are if you aren't aware. And then I've just got dedicated days. So one day will be lean legs and booty, another day will be arms and abs. And yeah, the HIITs and the circuits are full body. So there's definitely enough variety for all of you. And baby, what are you doing? So yeah, there's definitely enough variety, I think, anyway. And I've tested all of these workouts myself, so I know that they're functional, I know they work. And yeah, you can definitely make it easier or harder as you please. If there's any workouts that you can't do, just send me an email or like message me on Instagram and I will give you a modification. Could not think of the word. Is that a word? Modification? I will modify the exercises for you. And if you do want to make it harder, just yeah, chuck in a dumbbell or a resistance band. That's pretty much what I would do with the majority of these. There's also quick workouts, so like there's one day where there's a 10-minute ab challenge or a 10-minute booty challenge, so not every workout is 50 hours long. Also, I should probably talk about the duration. I've made these workouts so that they're around half an hour to maximum 45 minutes, depending on how long you want your rest periods to be, but I didn't want you guys to be like slogging away for 45 minutes to an hour every day. I really want these to be quick, functional, and just work. So yeah, they're around half an hour long, minus the like 10-minute abs, 10-minute booty challenges. And some of the HIITs are a bit shorter than half an hour, but they will kill you. So trust me, you don't want them to be any more than half an hour. I did have frequently asked questions on my phone, so maybe I should talk about those. Okay, when does the ebook release? How have I waited 10 minutes to talk about this? It releases literally right now. This video has gone up on Saturday at 9 AM, the 1st of December. By the way, it's my birthday, so holla! But yeah, Saturday the 1st of December at 9 AM, it is live right now. The video is going up at the exact same time that the ebook is being released. So I will leave a link in my description, and it will be to my website where you can purchase the ebook. You literally just have to add it to your cart, and then you can check out using PayPal, debit card, credit card, or whatever you like. So yeah, it's super easy, and all you have to do is click that link down there and it will take you straight to the ebook. But yeah, 9 AM Saturday the 1st of December, literally while you're watching this, it'll be up, so woohoo! Can you do it without a gym membership? I think I've kind of answered that before. It is an at-home program, so you can do it at the gym or you can do it at home. You can literally do this wherever you have like a meter cubed square. I don't know maths. Where you can fit a gym mat is where you can do this workout. And I think the last FAQ that I've been getting is what is the cost. So this one's just the more awkward to talk about. I hate talking about money. I literally wish I could give it to you all for free. Like, oh, I so badly wish I could, but it has literally taken us 10 months to create this program, and just so much hard work and dedication has gone into this. Sleepless nights, late nights, and just so much, I don't know, so much hard work. So I wish I could give it to you all for free, but unfortunately I cannot. I have made it as cheap as possible, so it is going on sale for I think $24.50 or $24.95. I'm holding a 48-hour sale, so when it does go live at 9 AM, it is going to be on sale until Monday at 9 AM, the 3rd of December. This is because I would love us all to start the program on Monday together. I just think that would be so cool. All of us just doing it together. So yeah, the sale only lasts 48 hours. Obviously you can purchase it after that time, but I just feel like that's a good motivating factor to get us all doing it together. And yeah, it will be 30% off, so it'll be around $25 I believe. And then after the 48 hours it will go up to $35. That's what I'm thinking right now. And speaking of motivating each other, I've also created a Facebook group for us all. I don't know how many people will join. It could literally be like 5 people, but I thought I would make one just to see if anyone wants to join, because it's so much more motivating being in like a program like this when you have other people to talk to. So every week we can do like check-ins. You can say like if you've lost any weight, how you feel, how you like the workouts, what you've been eating, and that type of thing. So I just thought it was really cool. So I will leave that linked below as well. Definitely come join our Facebook group so that you can stay motivated, what the fuck? So you can stay motivated and inspired and just get this done. My problem with workout guides is that I feel like a lot of people may purchase it and not like actually finish it, and that is not what I want, guys. I don't want to just like make money off this guide. I literally want it to fuel your fire and start your journey and just get you feeling confident and empowered, especially around the summertime. There's nothing worse than like putting on your first pair of shorts and you just feel like gross. That's how I feel anyway. So yeah, I just want you to feel confident. I want you to feel empowered. I just want you to just have some like self-love and respect for yourself, because yeah, that is what I'm all about. I just want you guys to see the beauty in yourself. It's not just a weight loss program and like trying to get you shredded and all that kind of thing. It's literally to make you healthy and to make you feel better from the inside out. So that is why I've created this program, and I truly hope that you guys love it. And yeah, I'm just really excited about it. I don't even know what else to say. I literally could have cried like all week. Every day that I look at the ebook, I'm just like, oh my god, I made this, like how cool. So yeah, I hope you guys love it. I am so excited for you guys to get your hands on it and just to do this together and start a new journey and a new chapter. And I hope that this will fuel that for you guys and that you will keep continuing to live a healthy, active life. So yeah, now I'm awkward. I don't know what else to say. But please let me know if you guys do purchase it in the comments below so I can thank you personally. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow the Facebook group so that we can stay connected and just motivated within this next 8 weeks. I would love that. And I think that's about it. I feel like I answered every question. I've been rambling for like 15 minutes now. But yeah, if you guys are excited, please give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below if you are new to my channel. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!